Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to center align picture in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show center align picture. Now firstly, going to the insert point option, then click. Now select from insert option, now select from picture option. Now you can see, now find your picture in the device. Now select from multiple picture. Now you can see, now click for insert option. Now you can see insert from multiple picture. Now this picture align, center align. Now select from all picture. Now go to the format menu option, then click. Now select from align option. Now click from center align, that is. Then again select from all multiple picture. Now click from format menu option, then click from align option. Now select from align center, that is. Now you can see center align picture in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.